Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about the EMS response guide for COVID-19, specifically the resources page, and just to make sure that you know where to get the current information. This stuff is changing rapidly and always evolving and updating, so this is likely changed and evolved since last time you've looked at this document or when I'm recording it. So please make sure that you're looking at the most current thing, and I'm going to show you where to find that here in just a second. As of the 23rd, so March 23rd, Virginia is reporting 254 cases of COVID-19 with 38 hospitalizations and 6 deaths. While our current regional area, we haven't seen any positive cases right here in our county. There probably are some, and that's not surprising. And eventually, when testing is boosted up a little bit more and tests are more available, then we'll probably see some positives comes back. So that's not a big deal. We kind of expect that, and it's not going to change anything as far as how we respond. We're still using the same precautions. So if you want to see the current data, because again, this updates regularly, just go to the VDH website here, vdh.virginia.gov/COVID virus. And that way you can see the current updated stuff. And this may even be updated from now. So let's see. Yeah, 254, 38, and 6. Nice. So that is still the same. Also, we've got a bunch of documents here to be aware of. So we've got the WVEMS Home Care Guide. This is something that as we shift in our response tiers to one of the other levels of response where maybe not everyone needs to be going to the hospital, because it may be smarter for them to self-isolate at home versus going to the emergency room, then this is a document that we can provide to them if we're not taking them to the hospital and they have, COVID-19 such symptoms and flu-like symptoms, anything like that. This is just giving them some information and guidance that they can follow up with and keep up with themselves. And it also helps them know when they should contact their healthcare provider, call EMS, or go to the hospital. And, it just helps them with that, gives them resources of who to talk to. Next up, we've got our WVEMS protocol for this. So this is kind of outlined in this document already that we are on, but you can always go to the WVEMS COVID protocol, and that's going to break this out a little more. And yeah, so check that out. The EMS response guide, that's what we're going through right now. So that is this document. So if you go to bit.ly/COVID-EMS, or you can hold your smartphone up over that QR code, it's going to jump to the current version of this document. And then finally, for our law enforcement and fire people, then there is a guide for you. It's all very similar to this document. It's almost identical. They both get updated at the same time. However, it's geared just a little bit more towards law enforcement and fire and less towards EMS. So some of this stuff on this document, it's really geared more towards EMS. So check out that fire or first responder guide. It's bit.ly/COVID911. Or again, you can put your phone up over that QR code, and that's going to jump to the current version of that for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you click subscribe, you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video with this topic. Also, make sure you check those links because this information does change rapidly. So check the links, you'll get the most current info. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll try and get back to you with an answer as soon as I can. Thanks.